Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art, and in today's video I will be using a 14 by 16 canvas, and my base paint will be black, and then I have flush iridescent blue. We have flush blue green. I might use it, I might not, I'm not sure. And this is premium gold Teza, and also added a little bit of 24 karat gold by DecoArt. This is lemon yellow with a touch of yellow ochre just to tame it down. And I have my Amsterdam Pearl white here that I'm gonna kind of just layer it with all the other paints just to pour pop of color and for contrast. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's pour in the middle and spread with a palette knife or whatever. Tilt it. This one we can tilt because we want it to cover the whole canvas. The negative space will be on the black part. Alright. And I hope I made enough paint here. See how nice and not too flowy, because I don't want it too flowy. This kind of technique does not need a lot of flowy base paint, because then it will just take everything out of the canvas as you paint it, as you put it on the canvas, because it's too wet. So we're not gonna put too wet paint in there. And as you can see, I don't have any bubbles in this. One good thing about the thicker paints, you do not get too many bubbles. So let's start with the yellow. I'm gonna go start with the yellow. Put a little bit of white. Gold, flash blue green. That's a little a bit of a shimmer in it, so need to be careful with that, mixing it with other metallic paints. They might not work together very well. Always break it with either yellow or white. And since I'm not going to use the whole canvas, I think I am going to stop there. And just pour like this, and we'll swipe. this way. I'm tilting it a little bit. Any of it to go off the canvas, the design. And it doesn't have to keep the shape, because we're gonna swipe it through it anyway. So no worries about keeping the shape. And then I'll take my palette knife, use the black oxide and white. Black oxide first. Swipe. The white for swiping and see how it looks.